chapter, prerequisites. Prerequisites for generating tests. Prerequisites for generating tests. See, these prerequisites not only for keyword driven methodology. You know what is keyword driven methodology? Generating tests manually, means without recording, using shared object repositories. See, what we are going to discuss, prerequisites for generating tests not only for keyword driven methodology, for all types of test design. If it is recording or keyword driven methodology or descriptive programming, these prerequisites are mandatory. See, what are the important things? First one, test scenario. Test scenario. Example, in flight reservation application, login operation. See, we will take two scenarios, one from flight reservation application, another from Gmail, a web application. Login operation in flight reservation. Another one, same, login operation in Gmail application. Gmail application. Say, this is first prerequisite. Test scenario. Next, navigation or steps. Navigation or steps. See, first login flight reservation application. If you write detailed steps, then generating tests very easy. Login operation. Tell me the steps for this login operation. Chitra, tell me the steps for login operation.
Yes, sir. First, we need to launch
the application.
Yeah.
First one, yes. Launch application.
Then second, select login dialog first.
Launch the application. Second one, select means activation. Select login dialog box.
Enter agent name first.
Good. Enter agent name. Enter agent name. Next,
enter password.
Enter password.
And click OK button.
Yes. Click default button. Here default button is OK button. Click OK button. This is the navigation or steps. Technical term navigation, general term steps. Next, Anmol, tell me the navigation for Gmail application. Login Gmail. I think all of you familiar with this one. Launch the browser. See. Launch the browser and navigate to Gmail homepage. This is first step. Next,
Yes, sir.
second step,
Select the username.
enter edit box ma
Yes,
enter.
sir.
Just a minute. What is that one? Enter email. Next, enter password. Next, fourth one, click on sign in button. What is this sign in? Is it button or something? Take object spy. Okay, button, web button. Click on sign in button. Click sign in button. Okay. Second step over. First test scenario, next navigation or steps. Next important one, verification points, one or more. Verification points, one or more. See, first in flight reservation, login flight reservation application. Observe Monica. See, launch the login dialog, enter agent name, enter password, click OK button. Okay. How to confirm login functionality? Tell me, Monica.
If we get the flight reservation window, then login functionality is successful.
See, by checking the existence of login flight reservation window, you can confirm login functionality. See, check the existence of flight reservation window. If exists, then pass, otherwise fail. Next, same in this one, Gmail. Tell me, Deepak, verification point in Gmail after successful login.
Yes, sir. Gmail mail list inbox.
User email homepage.
Yes,
User
ma'am.
email homepage. See, check the existence of user email homepage, email page. Next, fourth one, error handling. Error handling. See, first in flight reservation application. See, observe, if login unsuccessful, what will happen? See, in this application, agent name must be 4-digit value. I entered 3-digit value. See, it will show error pop-up. In order to perform next iteration or next test execution, we need to close this one. Close error pop-up, and cancel login dialog. This is the base state. See, close. Error pop-up and cancel the login dialog. Next, in Gmail, Fanidhar, what is the
Yes, sir.
error handling required in this Gmail? Suppose if you enter invalid username and password or password and or see. What happened?
The password error message came.
Here error message na? Same home page only.
But only
There
error
no
message.
pop-up. Message in red color in the same page. See, check the error and confirm. Otherwise, if you don't want to perform next iteration, see second trial. If you don't want, just close the browser.
Yes.
See, put mute. See, check the existence of error message and close the browser. Next, input data. Input data. See, for flight reservation application, tell me, Narayan Swami, what is the data for flight reservation login? Input data.
Username and password.
See, agent equal to, suppose, ABCD, password Mercury. Next, Gmail. Email. Next, password. Next, last one. It is optional but best practice. Optional but best practice. Add comments. Add comments. See, to make the code understandable or readable, add comments. See, these are the common prerequisites for all types of test design. Some more things required for keyword-driven methodology, but these 6 are common prerequisites for test design. Tell me headings, Udayasri. What are the prerequisites for creating tests in UFT?
Yes, sir. Test scenario, navigation of the steps, verification point, error handling, input data, and add comments.
Good. If it is recording, these things enough. Suppose if it is keyword-driven methodology, some more information required, some technical information also, that is test objects information. Test objects information. Say, if it is recording, tool can generate statements If you want to type scripts manually, you must know the test object names. Test object, reference of runtime object. Say test object names vary from one environment to another. Suppose button, runtime object name button. Test object names vary from one environment to another. Suppose button in Windows environment, Win button. Button in VB environment, VB button. Button in web environment, web button. But you no need to remember these names. Then how to get, Virendra, how to get test object names and information, other information?
By using object spy.
Object spy. See, tools, object spy. Take hand icon, show the object. See, it is showing class name, Win button. Win button OK. See, properties and values information. Test objects information. Next, methods or operations. Method is technical term, operation is business term. Both are synonyms. Method or operations. Suppose if you record this one example, tool can take care about methods. But if you want to generate tests manually, you must know the methods. Some problem. Just a minute. Record and run settings. Observe. Set. The set is method or operation. Click. This click is method. For every test object statement, method mandatory at the end of the statement. End of the statement. Just a minute. Just a minute. Say, observe, three statements are there. See, first statement. How many test objects are there, Fanidhar, in first statement?
One object.
Second statement.
Two objects.
Third statement.
One, two.
Two only, na?
Yes, two objects.
Okay. Just a minute. Now observe, third statement. How many test objects?
Three objects.
Three objects. Browser, page, link. See, for every statement, operation mandatory. Observe, Anmol Haq. Dialogue. What is this dialogue, Anmol? Put mute for it.
Dialogue.
What is this dialogue? Test object.
Test object.
What is this login?
This is object name.
What is this activate?
Method.
Next, dialogue. test object,
Yes.
login, test object name,
Name.
WinEdit,
Object. Test object.
test object. So here hierarchy is there, then you can say child
Child.
test object, child object name, set is method, this ABCD is value, next browser, test object, Google, object name, page, child test object, object name, link, subchild test object, Gmail, object name, click, method or operation. See, these are the prerequisites for generating tests, methods or operations. Next, come to keyword